These TikTok pages earn around $2,000 per month. This page, this guy, and even this guy earned thousands from this new TikTok glitch without ever using their voice or showing their face. Here's how you can do it too with a phone and a brain in the updated method in 2024. There are many ways to earn money from TikTok, such as through the TikTok shop, being a TikTok affiliate, or being an influencer. But today, I'm going to teach you the easiest of all, the TikTok Creativity Beta Program. Okay, without any bullshit, let's get into the tutorial. Step number 1, selecting a niche. There are many niches to select from. The only problem is that different niches get paid in different amounts. In other words, the RPM differs in these niches.
But I need the niches that pay me the most, so I can get rich quick.
Okay, little skeleton, I got you covered. The highest paying niches for 2024 on TikTok are, firstly, make money online niche, where you teach people how to earn money. Secondly, conspiracy theories and videos like this. And third, the motivational niche. Next, random facts. And also the educational niche. Quizzes, games, and tutorials. Step 2. After selecting a niche, create a TikTok account that is eligible for the program. In order to earn thousands from TikTok, you must be living in a country on this list.
But my country is not on this list. What should I do now?
If your country is not on this list, I feel sorry for you because you cannot earn from this method. Juiced kidding. If you're not a citizen of those countries, watch this part without skipping. So there are 2 methods, and one is free to do, and the other costs a couple of dollars, but it is quick. One method is to buy an USA TikTok account from this trustworthy website that has agreed to give a 20% discount to my subscribers. Just use the link and the code WealthWiz and start your earning journey today. Now the free method is the VPN technique, where you remove your SIM card from the phone, delete TikTok, download a VPN, connect to a US location, then download TikTok again, and create a new account with the VPN. This is it. And there is a dedicated video to do this technique without getting shadow banned on my channel. Feel free to watch this before screwing up. Before going to the next step, I would like to talk a bit about today's sponsor, WealthWiz. Yes, this video is sponsored by this guy who gives knowledge on earning money online for free without selling any course. And all he asks in return from you is to subscribe to this channel and drop a like. Step 3. Now that you have a fresh TikTok account, create videos. In order to get those juicy bucks from TikTok, we must have this requirement fulfilled. But dude,
how on earth can I do this? Having 10 followers is hard to get.
Don't worry, mate. I got you covered. Follow what I'm saying and copy this to get those 10,000 followers out of nowhere. Log on to TikTok and search for the other pages in your niche. I am using the motivation niche for the sake of this video. Next, watch all of their videos, interact, and make sure to follow all the accounts in your niche to get your account perfectly warmed up. Now select the most popular videos on those pages. Find their original videos and recreate them in your own style. Add a different but catchy hook or a caption. Have yourself created around 20 videos before uploading any, because in order to get those 10K followers, we must consistently upload around 3 to 4 per day. This is my uploading schedule that is used to get millions of views like this. First, I upload a clip in the morning, then in the afternoon around 1 p.m. or 5 p.m., then another clip before I go to sleep. I repeat this process over and over again, and I guarantee that your videos could blow up if they have been created perfectly. Step 4. After you hit the requirements, you can apply for the program and start earning like a GEE, and most probably upload content daily without giving up. Abracadabra. See you again.